Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Google Sheets we are going to learn the pivot table. So we are using pivot table to analyze our data. So I got my sales table right here and I want to analyze theirs. You can see the sales from Firdaus first day, second and the other days, from James and also from Sam. So I'm going to select my table and click on Insert menu and click on Pivot Table to analyze our data. So now here you need to select, you want to insert that to a new sheet or you want to insert that to existing sheet with this range. We want to add this to new sheet. Let's click on Create. So here we have the pivot table editor. You can search here as well for the days. You can see the range and also I can click on clear all. If I click on suggested, so there's nothing to clear first, but if I click on suggested, so you can see the message sorry could not get suggestions for this table at this time. So we need to add rows, columns, values right here to analyze our data. So first we're going to try the rows and click here on add. We're going to add the first day, click on add again, the second, and also we're going to add the 3 days of sales. So now you can see the first day, the second day, and the third. And also you can see the total. Here under rows, the first day, I can just click on ascending or descending. Just like this. Sort by first day, which is by default selected. And also there's two options available, show totals. I can just click here to uncheck that to not see the totals. If you don't want to see the totals, which is this grand total, I can just click on repeat row labels. Just click here. So for now I'm going to close the first day, the second, and also the third. So let's try to add columns here. The first day, the second, and the third. For the columns also I can click on order to change from ascending to descending. And also here you can see the totals. Just click to hide the totals if you don't want to see. Just like this. And for values, let's click add the first day, the second, and also the third, or we are going to add the other days as well here. So here we got the first day, second, the third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth day. So you can see under values, you can just click on sum, count A, count, or there is different functions available. You can use it right here. Maybe I want to see the average for the first day. Let's click. So you can see it's changed to average from sum. Or maybe for this day, we are going to change from sum to minimum. Or maybe for this day, we want to change from sum to counted. And the last option here under pivot table editor is called filters. Let's click at the filters. So we're going to add the first day filter. So you can click right here to see the filter. You can filter by condition. If I click here, and also I can filter by values. If I click here, so you can see the values. I can search for values if there is more values available. And if I want to clear all, just click here. So it's going to clear everything from pivot table editor. So this is how we can use pivot table to analyze our data with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.